Hi, Chef Kevin Brown here from CVTC's Culinary Management Program, and today I'm going to show you how to save some money at the grocery store by roasting your own peppers at home. Well, first thing we need is a red pepper, a green pepper, or a yellow pepper. And if you think you're the worst cook in America and you burn everything, this demo is for you because you're going to burn this pepper. So I'm going to take it over here and put it on my stovetop, and I'm going to turn the flame up on high, okay? And I'm basically just gonna let that pepper sit there and burn. Now I'm gonna rotate it every once in a while because what I'm looking to do is to turn this flesh into black. I'm gonna burn it. So I'm gonna let it cook there and just let it go. Okay, so we've cooked our pepper. You can see that it's black. So we're gonna take it off the stovetop and we're gonna place it into a bowl and we're gonna cover it with some plastic wrap. So when we cover it with the plastic wrap, what that is going to do is it's going to allow the pepper to steam inside the bowl. So we've placed our pepper in the bowl, and you can see that it's steamed a little bit. We're going to take it out of the bowl, and we're going to take this burnt skin, and that's what we've done. We've burnt just the outer skin layer of the pepper, and we can take our paring knife and just scrape that, and we're scraping off the skin. The other nice thing is we've completely changed the flavor profile of this pepper. So there, we've got it peeled off, and like I said, I've got most of the black off. Now, never run this under the sink to get the rest of the black off, because if you do that, what you're gonna do is wash all that extra flavor away that you developed in the roasting process, okay? So never rinse it. So next step, I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna cut it in half, and I'm gonna pull the flesh out in the seed pocket. And this is another reason why you wanna do this after it's cooled down, because now I can handle this pepper accordingly. Now, depending on what your application is, you could just come through and julienne, which is a fine lengthwise cut here. And you could leave them whole, you could just chop them up, you could put these into a sauce, a pasta sauce, you could put them into a vinaigrette. If you decide to make a vinaigrette, just chop them up and they could be the flavor ingredient in your salad dressing. Once again, this was an $8 item in the grocery store that cost us about $1. So, if you'd like to see more, you could check us out on the web at cvtc.edu. Thanks so much.